Give your machine an AI brain. When machining starts, it knows when to speed up and when to slow down. With one AMS adaptive machining system, the machine senses cutting load in real time and adjusts feed rate intelligently. It balances fast feed with collision risk and slow feed with lost productivity, safety, and efficiency together. AMS enables autonomous feed control through load and vibration sensing and data analysis. In low-load safe zones, accelerate. In high-load risk zones, decelerate. Every second, the system calculates the optimal feed rate for machining. Every cut feeds data to the AI. The model keeps learning and improving. Optimized results are written directly into the machine feed override. The machine becomes smarter with every run, reducing dependence on human experience. In production, rough and semi-finishing efficiency improves by over 30, finishing efficiency improves by over 10, installed and commissioned in just 2 weeks. Choose SIGER data, make machining cycles more predictable, achieve higher yield and consistent quality.